Hello, mobile phone is the best thing that science and technology has given to us. Welcome to my class for today, where I'll be taking you step by step on mobile phone care and maintenance. Remember, proper maintenance of the mobile phone can avoid or prolong the repair service. And as we say, taking care of your mobile phone starts with you. Welcome. Step number 1. While cleaning your phone, use disinfectant wipes with a 70% alcohol. Wipe down the phone from top to bottom while holding the side. Unapopanguza simu yako, hakikisha ya kwamba unatumia kitambaa ambacho kiko na 70% ya alcohol. Panguza vizuri ukiwa umeshikilia sides. You can use this liquid. It is called a home dry cleaner. It is the best liquid while cleaning your phone. Be careful not to get any fluid into port such as the charging port, earphone port, and this tiny hole found in the downside of your phone, which is called the microphone hole.